Okay, so I just came across this tool called Similarity that detects duplicate code across multiple languages, and it's mind-blowing.
Wait, so it can actually find similar patterns in TypeScript, Python, and even Rust. How does it do that?
Exactly, what's what it uses AST, or Abstract Syntax Tree, for comparisons instead of just text matching. This makes it super accurate.
AST-based comparisons. So it's not just comparing lines of code. That's really interesting because it understands the structure.
Right, that changes everything. It can see the semantic relationship, like how functions work, rather than just spotting surface similarities.
And I'm guessing this means it can detect issues like copy-pasted code much more effectively.
Absolutely. It can even highlight functions that are nearly duplicates and suggest refactoring opportunities. How cool is that?
That's fascinating. So does it have a specific installation process?
Yep, it's actually super easy. You just need to run a cargo install command, and you're set to start scanning your code.
That's a relief. I thought it might be complicated. Can it check entire directories too?
Yep, you can run it on a directory, and it will find all the duplicates within, like a treasure hunt for code.
Oh, I love that metaphor. So it feels like having a little assistant who's always looking for potential improvements.
Exactly. And it's not just about finding duplicates. It helps with refactoring too, which can save developers tons of time.
That makes so much sense. Have you tried running it with some code examples yet?
I did. It was shocking to see how many similar functions I had across my projects.
No way, like how similar were they?
Some were over 90% similar. It's a real eye-opener to how often we duplicate efforts without realizing.
Wow, that really highlights the potential for error reduction too. Less duplicated code means fewer bugs.
Exactly. And it can even integrate into CI/CD pipelines to ensure code quality remains high as you develop.
So it's versatile too. I bet incorporating it into workflows saves teams a ton of headaches down the line.
Definitely. I find it comforting knowing we have tools that refine our code before we even see it.
Speaking of tools, does it support AI integration for analyzing and suggesting changes?
Yes, you can share the output with AI tools like Claude or GPT-4 to get refactoring strategies.
That's super handy. So it's like pairing a detective with a coach, the perfect combo.
Right. Plus, it has these really cool features like cross-file comparison, which is a game changer.
Wait, it can analyze code across different files too? That seems incredibly powerful.
Totally. It can even check for similar types and patterns, making it a more comprehensive tool.
Wow, I'm really starting to see how this could improve workflows. Is there anything it can't do?
Well, the generic language support is still experimental, so it's a bit hit or miss sometimes.
That makes sense. I can imagine perfecting it is a hefty task with so many languages.
For sure. And the performance may vary based on the programming language, which is something to consider.
I appreciate that they're being transparent about it. It sounds like they're still refining their approach.
Exactly. And it's written in Rust, which is known for efficiency, so when it works, it's blazing fast.
That's a nice assurance for developers. But what makes it stand out from other comparison tools?
Well, the combination of AST analysis and multi-language support is pretty unique.
Ah, so it's like a hybrid of sorts, combining the best of both worlds. Last question, what's your biggest takeaway?
I think the potential for saving time and minimizing bugs really opens up opportunities for better coding practices.
Absolutely. And for teams working on large projects, this could really be a game changer. Plenty to think about.
So true. It makes me wonder how much easier development could become with tools like these.
Right? It's exciting to think about how programming can evolve when we embrace such technology.
For sure. I wonder what else is out there that could revolutionize coding as we know it.
Let's keep digging, because there's definitely so much more to uncover in the tech world.